band together. You fear it's over soon. Too many risks to take. Just let us see what we'll be finding. All the memories and all the days we